Hi guys! Update ko lang dito sa jump mining kung nakaka-withdraw pa ba. So, ayun na guys, nag-withdraw ako kanina ng $2. So, dumating na siya sa aking GCash account. Ito siya guys. Dumating naman siya guys. Wait lang. Ito siya guys. Dumating na. Ayan, you have received 102 of GCash. So, $51 equal yung $1. So, $2 yung winidraw ko. $102 yung dumating. So, guys, ayan na. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, $3 na lang. Mababawi ko na yung aking mga yung aking ininvest na $9, no? Tapos, puro passive income na lang ako. Tapos, guys, ang dami na nag-register sa akin na ka-team ko, pero iisa pa lang yung nagre-recharge. So, sumabay na tayo guys dito sa jump mining habang bago pa siya and active yung ating manager sa Telegram. Ayan, marami na rin naka-invest guys. Ayan, settlement succeeded, you have received 51. Thanks ma'am, PIP successful withdrawal. Ayan na guys. So yun guys, marami naka-withdraw dito sa jump mining. March 13 lang po siya nagsimula. Tapos guys, may daily sign-in dito. Ayan, dito sa taas, daily sign-in. Then, may $0.20 kayo pagka sign-in guys. Then, ang pinakamababang investment guys is $9, 604 pesos. Then, susunod is $29. So, yun guys, lagi kong pinapaalala na invest what you can afford to lose. Sana magtagal tong jump mining katulad ng Hero Mining. Thank you for watching guys and happy earnings. Bye-bye. Please subscribe to my channel.